everyone. I am here at the Ridges, which is a guard-gated community. Where is the Ridges? It is one of Summerlin's most crown jeweled community, and it is on the west side of Las Vegas, really close to Red Rock National Park. And behind me is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, just under 3,700 square foot single story home. And the asking price for this is $2.5 million. So let's go inside and check it out. All right, coming in from the front entrance, we have these nice glass doors, aluminum framing, and then chandelier above us, 20-foot ceilings. Then it goes into 15-foot. To the right, we have this custom glass wine room that they added after they built the house. Okay, so wine room over there. We're coming over here to the dining area. Another chandelier, we have wood panels up above. It's a great feature. Love how they added that throughout the house. And then we're gonna walk back this way over to the fireplace. All right, so we're zigzagging now. We're from over the dining room, wine room over here. We have the fireplace. This is where your living area is. TV's gonna be there, of course. Here's the fireplace. You can change the colors and everything. Green, yellow, blue, whichever mood you're in. Yeah, so fireplace here with the stone going all the way up. All right, before we talk about the kitchen, right? Kitchen's over there, but we're gonna go into the primary room. Love this area right here. Nice light fixture. Okay, going in the room, we have, it's about 30 by 20 square foot room, 2 fans. You also have the entrance to go to the backyard. All right, walking into the primary bathroom, 15-foot ceilings. There's a chandelier here. Peter right in the mirror you can see. But, you know, beautiful granite. You have dual vanity, seating vanity here, LED lights on the mirrors. So, want to talk about this mirror. The LED lights, you can turn it on and off. And then, you know, if you shower and stuff like that, it is a big bathroom, but you turn this on, it's like an anti-fog thing, so great feature. So here's the shower. Again, same stone matching all this. You have the rain shower. Nice octagon tile down here, you know, good kind of pop. Lovely space. Now let's go inside to the closet. Again, same thing. Lovely light fixture. Large space, you got quartz countertop, cabinets, storage, right, drawers, lots of space. So we're gonna hit up the backyard. You got stacking doors right here. Then you have pool, travel team flooring, Pebble Tech throughout the pool with the spa and everything, water features and everything. You have a fire pit over there. Bamboo all around, right, for privacy. So over $200,000 spent out here. We're back in the house, of course. We're gonna walk into bedroom number 2. This is still in the back side of the house. 15-foot ceilings, right? And then it's an ensuite, bathroom, closet. Let's check it out. In the bathroom, same type of stone countertop, and in the shower. Then you also have the LED light and mirror. All right, so we're back at the front of the house. And of course, you saw those windows. We're going to check out bedroom number 3. Also, it's an ensuite. You have a bathroom in there. Again, 15-foot ceilings, right? And then same stone, same mirrors and everything. All right, so now let's go check out the kitchen. But first I didn't talk about the garage, right? The garage, there's 3-car garage, 2 cars on this side and then 1 on this side. And then let's go to the kitchen. So, kitchen has countertop, this separating from the living area. And then you have this waterfall edge. Subzero fridge built in, and then you have LED lights down here, so the accessories all matching throughout the house. Then you have the Viking cooktop, also with the oven as well. Viking microwave. Okay, so we're going through this hallway. Behind you is the garage. To my right is the pantry, and then this other room with a sink is the laundry room. Okay, I'm in the wine room, right? Just want to talk about the ridges again. You got $1 million townhomes up to $12, $15 million homes. So if you're interested in this house or any homes in the ridges, let me know. Contact me at Dallas Tung at kwvegas.com, 702-686-1668. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And I am at the ridges. It's a these beautiful black alumina. You have this great, what is this, granite? You know, your own fixtures. No. This has the LED light mirror.